Are you B.Tech or graduate fresher? Looking for a job in IT MNCs like Wipro, XYL, IBM? Join Avision Technoserve Private Limited, the best IT recruiter company in India. Special 45 days industrial training and placement program in networking, and get placed in MNC like Wipro, XYL, IBM. Placed 3,700 plus freshers in MNC in network, cloud and security domain. Experienced trainers from corporates. 100% job guarantee. eVision provides real-time work experience and exposure, 1-year work experience, internship documents for job, modified resume as a network engineer.
Good morning everyone, I'm Bhushan Gaidhane. I'm thrilled to announce my recent job offer as an IT support engineer with Genpact India Private Limited with a good package. This achievement makes a significant milestone in my career, and I'm thankful to the eVision for support and guidance each and every time. I hold my bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering stream from the Rashtrandra Tukuduchi Maharaj Nagpur University. After completing my comprehensive training by eVision and their team support, all the freshers and graduates, I highly recommend you to join the eVision Technera Private Limited. Thank you so much.
Our mission to provide job in MNC. More than 1 lakh jobs in desktop and networking by 2021. Get trained and placed within 45 days in MNC like Wipro, XYL, others. Roles in networking: Technical Support Specialist, IT Support Administrator, Desktop Support Engineer, Windows System Engineer, Network Administrator, Linux System Administrator, Unix Administrator. eVision, connecting talent to opportunity. For more queries, contact the number given below or visit www.evisions.co.in.